Good morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Gnan Manjari Modern School. So in previous lecture we have just seen how to find the cube root by the factorization method. Let us see an example of it. See, if we take the cube root of 64, then how we have to find that by the factorization method. So first of all we have to find the factors of it. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Then another time 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, right? 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So the factors of 64 are how many times 2? 6 times 2. So the factors are 2 into 2 to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So for the cube root, what we have to take the groups of 3 3. So here 3 3. These are the groups of 2. So 2 into 2. So what is the 2 into 2? That is 4. So 64 is a cube. 64's cube root is 4. If we take the cube of 4, then we get 64. This we have seen in the previous video. So now next we will see the properties of cube root. Also we have seen in previous video that the properties of cubes. Now we will see the properties of cube root. Let us see one by one. See here, I am reading that the first one, unit digit of the cube root. Note that by observing the unit place of the cube, we can find the unit place of its cube root. See the table number below. See here I am drawing the table of that unit place of the cube. Unit place of the cube root. So in this property also we have seen in the properties of cubes. So if the place in the unit place of the cube is 0, then if we take its cube root, then its unit digit is also 0. This and another one, if in the unit place there is 1, so if we take its cube root, then also there is 1. Okay students, next 2, if there is 2, then it is 8, or if there is 8, it is 2. Next it is 3, then it is 7, and 4, then it is 4 only, 5, then 5, 6, then 6, 7, then 3, 8, then 2, and if it is 9, then 9 only. So this is the table. If in the unit place of the cube there is 0, then if we take its cube root, then its unit place also have 0. If there is 1, then also it have 1. If there is 2, then it is 8, and if there is 8, it is 2. Here it is inverse. So if there is 3, then it is 7, and if there is 7, then it is 3. Then if there is 4, then 4, 5, then 5, and 6, then 6. Okay students, if you have to note down, then you can note down this. Now we will go to the second property, that is number of digit in the cube root. To find the number of digit in the cube root, we mark the digits of the cube in groups of 3, starting with the right almost digit. For example, the number of the digit in the cube root of 50,653 would be given by the number of the groups of 3. So here second property says that we have to make that number by group of 3 3, and it should be start from right side. See here, there is an example, that is 50,653. So in this example we have to make the group of 3 3. So we have to start from right side. The first 3 is this, and here these are 2. So what happens? See here, this is the first group and this is the second group. There are 2 groups, thus the cube root of 50,653 has 2 digits. Okay students, it has 2 digits. And next we will see the next topic, that is estimation, finding cube root using unit digit. This method also we have seen in the previous class of the estimation. So how it is done? Let us see an example of it. That is example number 10. Let us see the example number 10. Find the cube root of the following. So in that, the first one is A, 4913. So in that table we have seen that if the cube has odd number and it is 3, then its cube root's unit digit is 7. So its unit digit is 7. Okay students, so let's read it. See here in your textbook, 4913 is an odd number, so its cube root also has to be odd. Okay students, so first what we have to do, we have to make the group. How we will make this group of 3 3? See, this is the first group, this is the second group. So its cube root has 2 digit. Why? Because it has 2 groups. Next, another one, the unit place of the first group will decide unit digit of the cube root. See here, the first group unit digit will decide its cube root. So here it is 3, so its cube root's unit digit should be 7. Okay students, next, third point, that is, in the case the unit digit of the cube is 3, the digit at the unit place of the cube has to be 7. That we have seen in the table number 14. Now consider the second group, 4. The largest cubic number less than 4 is 1. So the 10th digit of the cube root is 1. Okay students, so its cube root is 17. Its cube root is 17. From this 3 point we can estimate that its cube root is 17. Okay students, next B. B is 238328. So first what we have to do, we have to make the groups, and this is even number, so its cube root must be even. So by making these groups, what will be the groups? There will be two groups. So these are the two groups, group 1 and group 2. In the table we have seen that if there is in the unit place there is 2, then it will be 8, and if there is 8, then its unit place will be 2. So first now do it by your own, students. So here if we take in the unit place there is 8, so its unit place will be 2. Okay students, now find out this second group. What we have to do? So the largest cubic number less than 238 is 6. Okay students, 6. The largest cubic number, if we take the cube of 6, that is 216, and less than that is 6. So we can tell that this is the cube root of 238328 is 62. Okay students, please note down this. The next one, C, that is minus 175616. So here first of all it is minus, so its cube root will also be minus, and it is even number, so its cube root must be even number. Now making the groups 175 and 616. So this is the group 1 and this is the group 2. Then if there is 6, then its unit place, here the first group's unit place is 6, so its cube roots unit place is also 6 according to the table which we have drawn just before. And here you have to find the second group's largest cubic number is which number? Find out that. If we take the cube of 5, then it is 125, and then if we take the cube of 6, then it is 216. So the largest cube less than this number is 5. Okay students, so its cube root is minus 56. Please note down this, students. Another one, D. D is 12167 divided by 68921. So what will be? First of all, we will find the cube one by one. So 12. So if we have just, it is odd number, so its cube root must be odd number, and here we make the group of 3 3. So this, in the first group unit place there is 7, So what will be its cube roots? Unit place there is 3. Now 12. What will be the what will be the cube, largest cube number less than 12? Please note down the student by your own. So if we take the cube of 2, then it is 8 and it is less than 12. So we will write 2. So its cube root is 23. Now we will try for the another one, that is 6, 8, 9, 2, 1. This is also an odd number, so its cube root must be odd number. See here, if there is in the unit place 1, then what will come? 1 only. And here the group 2, the cube root which is less than 68, largest cube of a number which is less than 68. So what will be that number? First of all, write by your own, students. So if we take the cube of 4, then it is 64. Okay, students. So, and it is less than 68. So what we will do is, the cube of 6, 8, 9, 2, 1 is 61, and the cube root of 12, 1, 6, 7 is 23. So we will write 23 divided by 61. Okay, students. Sorry, students, we have made one mistake over here. The cube of 4, not 6. The cube of 4 is 64. So here it will come 4. Okay, students. So now please note down this. Now we have just completed the chapter, students. So there is a table of the relation. Let us do that, and all the other sums of examples and the other sums of exercise you have to do by your own. And if there is a doubt, you can message me and I will solve that doubt. See here, students. There is a table, relationship between cube, squares and triangular number. Let us draw that first. Relationship between cubes, squares and triangular number. Okay, students. So let us see that if what is the relationship between these numbers? Let us see that, students. See here, if we take one cube here if we take 1 cube, then here 1 is equal to 1 square. Okay students, and so according to this 1 into 2 by 2 the whole square, if we make this, then we also get is 1 is equal to 1 cube. Okay students, so this is the first relations of 1 between cubes, squares and triangular numbers. Another one, that is 1 cube plus 2 cube. So in that, what is 1 cube plus 2 cube? That is 2 cube, that is 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9. So we can write this 1 plus 2 square, that is 9. Okay students, next we can also write 2 into 3 by 2, that is 9. And so the 3 is equal to, 9 is equal to 3 square. You can see the students how it is related with each other. Next we will see is the 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. So what will be the total? That is 2 cube, that is 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9. 9 plus 3 cube, that is 27. So we will get is 36. So this can be 1 plus 2 plus 3 the whole square. We can get 36. Okay students, so next we can also write 3 into 4 divided by 3, divided by 2, that is the whole square. So 3 4s are 12, 12 6, 6 square, that is 36. So is equal to 36, which is 6 square, that we have get here. Okay students, next is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. So what will be the total of the cubes? That is 4's cube, that is 64, 3's cube, that is 27, 2 cube, that is 8. So the total will be 100. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 whole square. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 3, 10. If we take 10 square, then we get 100. Okay students, so in this 4 into 5 divided by 2, 4 5s are 20 divided by 2, that is 10, and if we take its square we get 100. So 100 is equal to 10 square. So this is the relationship. And the another one, if we take 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube. So what will be the answer? 5 cube is 125, 4 cube is 64, 3 cube is 27, 2 cube is 8 and 1 cube is 1. What will be the total? That is 225. And if we total 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, the whole square, 4 plus 5 that is 9, 9 plus 3 that is 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. If we do the square of 15 we get 225. So here 5 into 6 divided by 2. 5 6 are 30 divided by 2, that is 15. The whole square, that is 225, is equal to 15 the whole square. Okay students, now from this we can conclude that there is an, if we take up to n, 1 plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus up to infinite n cube plus n cube. So what we will write here? Can anybody tell me students? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n square. Okay students, we will do this, and what will be the, here the digit is 5, so we have take 5 into 6, so into 6, so n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. What we will get? This is the formula. From this we can conclude that there is a relationship between cubes, squares and triangular numbers. See here students, here we have taken 1 to 5 numbers, so here we have done 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 and its whole square. So we get the answer according to the 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Then we have, what we have done here, the last number was 4, then 4 into 5 divided by 2, we get 100 is equal to 10 square, and here there is 5, so 5 into 6, that is divided by 2 whole square, that is 225, which is 15 square. And here what we have do, here the numbers are from 1 to n, so what we have do, we have added from 1 to n numbers and do its square. So what will be the formula over here? That is n plus 1. Why? Here it is n. Then next number, here there was 5, then we have taken 6, then here there is n, then what we have to do? Multiply n plus n plus 1 divided by 2, then we get the answer. Okay students, now it's time for your homework. Please note down your homework. So your today's homework is, students, we have just finished this chapter, and from next video we will start the new chapter. Okay students, from next video we will start new chapter, and your today's homework is homework. Please note down your homework students. You have to do example 10, 11, 12. No, sorry students. Yes, only example number 10, in which there were 4 sums in your example book, and from exercise you have to do whole exercise, which questions are remaining. Exercise 4C, remaining questions you have to do in your homework. If there is any doubt, you can tell me, we can discuss it, and if all have the same doubt, and I will solve that sum in the very next video which you have doubt. Okay students, then up till then stay safe, stay home. Okay, bye students.